So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this wig. I am filling this hair like so I do have my weave from Clore Beauty Store. I got 2 packets, 8 inch. I think I got one for $16.99. I have my mannequin, I have my glue, my wig cap, scissors, needle and thread, black thread. So I put the wig cap on the canvas head or the mannequin, and I started sewing from the back, as you can see. And I also have pins to hold the wig cap on the mannequin. So in order to complete the last part of the wig, I'm going to use the glue as seen on the screen, and I'm going to put the name on the description box, the name of the glue. So at the center part, I used my foundation to put the mark on the center part so that I should be able to know like where to the right place to put the glue. So as you can see, I'm cutting the some of the weave, and I'm gonna put the glue on it. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So guys, I just made some cornrows with my hair, and I have a, is it a wig? Yeah, I have a wig. No, I have a weave cap. I don't know how this is called. I think a wig cap. I think so, yeah, just to make my hair not to be so, like to make my hair like not to be very high. And I'm about to put on my wig. So I didn't use the two packets. I think I used 1 3/4. So I would have used all. And I feel like I didn't do a great job the way I really wanted to, but I'm gonna improve next time. And yeah, not bad. It's not that bad. So can you rate how much I did from 0 being the least and 10 being the highest? So how much are you gonna give me on 10? Is it a 6? Is it an 8? Or what? And thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye.